Yo, 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 yo. Alright, so I'm sure everybody knows that Tesla just had an earnings call. And I don't want to really get into that just because there's a lot to talk about there. But while that was going on, I was comparing batteries. Okay. Uh, so, me being me, I'm very, very curious. I want to see who's the best, etc. I have a very large holding in Mullen. So I started comparing them to Mullen. Okay. I was obviously, happy to hear that they were, outperforming the current competition. However, ADN looked very, very interesting. I do hold them as well. Okay. Any fuel, anywhere, low cost. Greece just offered them, or just gave them money. Um, they talk about liquid sun, liquid wind. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. I'm a curious person. I like to know who has the best stuff, right? So as I'm searching along, I find this. Bill Gates backed ESS, which makes giant batteries out of iron, salt, and water, starts trading. So immediately I'm like kind of blown away because he's been buying farmland, he's just doing some weird stuff. Okay. Anyways, so it stores energy between 4 and 12 hours. So that beats the crap out of its competition. Okay. Usually lithium ion, which Elon talked a lot about, we're talking 4 hours. But he's talking on these ESS batteries that are already public, that nobody seems to know about. They go 4 to 12 hours. So I find that very, very, appealing. They're backed by SoftBank, aka Japan. Okay. Here's their company. One of a kind iron flow battery technology is the first to market, giving us first mover advantage. So, iron, salt, water. That's it. Iron, salt, water. Now, there was a nice little graph, but I may have deleted it. I do apologize. But anyways, here's their Vortex. Let's go into that. Now, the 18th. So that would be 2 days ago. Look at the short interest. Okay. And then today, it gapped up a little bit. Look at that huge gap it had. It shot up and then sold off, and it's been low ever since October of last year when it started trading. Talking $3.54. So, I mean, it's not that far off its lows. One thing that I find very, very appealing is, look at this. Only 36% of the company is up for sale. The rest is going to be corporately owned. Fundamentals. Look at this. Improving on the value per share. EPS. Getting better. Still not green, still not positive, but getting better, much better. Enterprise value, again, getting much better. Revenue, they're actually expected to bring in revenue this year as well. So ADN caught fire when everybody found out about it, but nobody knows about this company ESSC. Or ESS, or excuse me, it's called ESS Inc. and it trades under GWH. But I don't know why it would trade under GWH, but it is what it is. Take a look at this. 13% short interest. Now it is light on utilization. There's not many shares to loan though. I kind of actually want to see, and I didn't even look at this earlier, what's their average volume? Average volume is only 1.4 mil. Very low turnover rate. I mean, obviously anything Bill Gates is interesting, but when we're talking about batteries, I'm a little bit extra interested because the only other, like, besides Mullen, the only other, like, next generation type of battery that I was looking at has been ADN. And, like, it's, like, ADN has done some things. It has moved. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm probably gonna hop in. They have warrants that are exercisable at 1150. Now they don't expire until I believe it was September 27th. Oh, or no, excuse me. It was the end of September 2027, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm kind of mixed on whether I want to go warrants or if I want to go like long options because the options are so cheap on them. I might just go warrants because it gives me more time. I don't know. This whole finding this company, it was very random and I just wasn't expecting it. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. There was also a buy here as well on the dip, and he bought $90,000 worth. So that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, that's all I have for you. I'm sorry for rambling on, but I mean, this is just next generation battery technology that I think that more and more people need to pay attention to because EVs, especially after hearing the Tesla earnings call where he talked about like lithium, this erases the need for lithium. Like I'm trying to think, next step ahead rather than, lithium. Right? I mean, I don't know. Just spitballing here. Again, not a financial advisor, not an economist. I would appreciate any sub. I need subs in order to get monetized. Likes and shares, they don't hurt. And who wouldn't want to be early on next generation battery technology, right? Hey, you guys have a good one, and hopefully I catch you on stream tomorrow. Later.